I'm telling people where they are. That's not the game. In our local park, everyone comes out every Monday to pick up litter from the weekend's activities. There's a community, and it's a big community, and they all help. Unfortunately, they picked up all the rubbish. Oh no! I found some. Spain and Portugal usually are very dirty. I like this particular park because the barbecues are better than Spain, the benches are better than Spain, and it's got some lovely whittling wood. I know where I'm cooking my barbecue later. While they're doing street orienteering. I want to look. Gracias. Yes, they do a street orienteering while they're picking up rubbish. I would never do that. That's brilliant. What a way to make people come out. Look, there's another one. Carry your bin bag, take your picture of your orienteering and pick rubbish up as you're going. I love it. And I'm glad to be a part of it. Everyone likes each other. Everyone talks to each other. And here we go. Another one. Pestinos. Just from. Right. Let's carry on, whatever that means. I'm going to ask what it's all about because they're all at it. Let's go and have a look at this one and see what this one says. Number 7. No? Oh, here, it's on the other side. Oh, here we go. Milhojas. Hello. Milhojas. The amount of barbecues in here. This is an amazing place. Football field there. Sounds lovely. Let's go find some more rubbish while they're orienteering. So, what it is, it's Adventure Labs, and it is a form of street orienteering, but in a park. Farm Films Mug on Tour, done. I've just spoken to a lovely, amazing English man, but I'm going to pick that bench just around that corner and do some breakfast, and then go geocaching. I did a lot in Scotland, and now I'm doing a lot in Portuguese. Get away. Can you guess what it's going to be? I like that, how it weaves itself into its own wood. Any ideas what this could possibly be? Torijas. No.
Adventure Labs?
Yeah, I've downloaded.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. And here we have Pianono. And what I do is it finds out where I am. They found one over there. And they found one. This is great. I like this game. What we do is we cheat and we follow people. But I saw someone putting up there. We finished picking up the rubbish, and this is what they do. They were looking in here. Where is it? There it is. Hojula. So now I go on to my Adventure Lab. And I type that word in. But there's one up here somewhere. The good thing about the next one is that people were looking at it when I was picking up rubbish, so I know exactly where this one is. Here we go. This one, Milholas. And this is the other one, which they were looking at. Where is it? I know you're here. There it is, Mostachonis. Look at the size of him. That's some nest. That took me ages to find, and I can't put that in my dictionary. The little squiggly thing over the end. Nowhere near the playground. Let's go that way. Just doing my head in. It's around here somewhere.
It was Christmas in Whitehall. Lord Ollie had just dropped in with a sack full of gifts and cash in a tin. He gave Keir a Rolex, gave Vicky some knickers, then lit up a Cuban, raised a glass to his arse liquors. Down the road from their feasting, by a boarded up door, a soldier lay shaking on a piss-soaked floor. He fought for this country, he gave them his all. Now he begs for his dinner, his country let him fall.
She was 12 when it started. No one heard her cries. They labeled her trouble and said she told lies in the name of diversity. But they looked the other way while monsters kept hunting their prey every day.
Claimed you were different, said you'd fight for the poor, but you kissed every ring to walk through number 10's door. You once marched for the miners, now you side with the whiners. Now you serve foreign masters and bow to the bastards. The old folk are dying while you keep on lying, and our cash is given out to the chosen few. You're a lie, you're a boy, you're a globalist whore. You robbed all our grannies and left them to freeze. You're a joke, you're a tool, you're an embarrassing fool. Merry Christmas, you wanker, now get out the way. The old folk are dying, still you keep lying, and our cash is given out to the chosen few. You lied to our faces, said we'd have a say, but they spit on our flag and cursed Christmas Day. You sold out the nation, then called us all thugs, whilst the boats keep on coming. Don't take us for mugs. The people are rising as your party is dying, and the bells will ring out. We're coming for you. Yeah, we're coming for you. Yeah, we're coming for you.